Hello, kids! Yay! Are you ready to have fun today? Clap your hands, smile big, and let's learn fruits together. It's fruit alphabet time. Are you ready? Here we go! Apple. Apples are crunchy and yummy. Banana. Bananas are yellow and sweet. Cherry. Cherries are small, red, and tasty. Durian. Ooh, durian smells strong, but tastes yummy. Egg fruit. Egg fruit is soft and sweet. Great job, kids! Let's say the letters together. Are you ready? Here we go! A, B, C, D, E. Yay! Now look! Can you point to your favorite fruit on the screen? Are you ready for the next letter? Let's keep going! F, finger lime. Finger limes are tiny and juicy. Grape. Grapes are juicy and delicious. Hackberry. Hackberries are small and sweet. Imbe. Imbe is a tropical fruit. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is big and very sweet. Amazing! Now say it with me. F, G, H, I, J. Nice! How about this? Which fruit sounds funny? Next letters, please. Let's go! Kiwi. Kiwis are green inside. L, lemon. Lemons are sour but fresh. M, melon. Melons are cool and juicy. N, nectarine. Nectarines are smooth and tasty. O, orange. Oranges are round and juicy. So good! Let's say them together. K, L, M, N, O. Amazing! Clap your hands and great learning! Want to try the next letters? Let's go! Pineapple. Pineapples are sweet and spiky. Quince. Quince is a special fruit. R, rambutan. Rambutans are hairy outside and sweet inside. S. S. Strawberry. Strawberries are red and yummy. T. T. Tangerine. Tangerines are easy to peel. Wow! You are doing awesome! Now, say it out loud with me. P. Q. R. S. T. That was wonderful! Can you give me your big smile? Nice! And now, just 6 letters left. Woohoo! Let's go! U. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit has a funny name. V. Vanilla bean. Vanilla beans smell so nice. W. Watermelon. Watermelons are big and juicy. X. Shimania. Shimania is a rare fruit. Y. Yumberry. Yumberry is also called youngmay. Z. Zucchini. Zucchini is green and healthy. Wow! Let's say the last letters together. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Yay! We did it! Ha ha ha! Congratulations! You did an amazing job today! You learned fruit names from A to Z. Learning fruits and letters is so much fun, right? Don't forget to keep smiling, eat healthy fruits, and keep learning every day. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends!